Bulletproof Traders in the house, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with the trade of the day video. This is a quick one, short-term bearish campaign on the Bitcoin. According to this very short-term, almost basically intraday CPM system, which you're looking at right now, that's the blue system right here, suggesting that price action is on its way to the lower section, starting with 76,978. So I would round it up to 77,000. That is the official profit target for this particular bearish campaign. You can see where we started this campaign just a couple of days ago. You can see from where we started it, right? So price action was basically coming up strong, and then we noticed it was starting to spike that top boundary of 80,276, right? The upper boundary, that last line, blue line in that blue system. And as it was starting to back off, we thought that it made sense that it's probably entering this very tight consolidation phase, short term, almost intraday, like I said. So the next objective is going to be the lower section of that same system, right? So as that spike was starting to form, you can see where we pulled the trigger the first time, right? Our stop loss level is actually at that point right now. So that particular trade is already is already safe, because stop loss is right at where the break-even point is as far as that trade goes. So price action actually ended up very negatively and managed to close below the mid-high key level of 78,719. So that was a clear sign to actually throw in a second trade. This one, a smaller trade, smaller than the first one, a little bit less than a half. But you can see where it is right there. Now, yesterday, price action was coming up and retesting that 78,719 level. Quite interestingly, found it to be solid resistance after the breakdown. But it does that again today, right? Today, market is on the up and up, and the Bitcoin is yet again retesting that same 78,719 level. But you can see what's happening, right? It's pulling back. It's pulling back just below. So clearly that level is a solid resistance at this point, suggesting price action has still that pathway open to complete the move to 76,978. And that is our official target for both of these trades. And the stop loss level, which sits at 79,800, is consisting of both of these trades, right? So the whole position is 79,800 stop loss on the whole position, both trades, as well as the target. So there you go. Stop loss level is pretty tight, as you can see. If price action is going to reclaim that 78.17 level and start penetrating and start establishing itself above, then stop loss level is really close by and is going to trigger us out, because that's going to mean that that the Bitcoin is ready for the next upside surge, and we don't want to be there with a bearish campaign if that happens. Makes sense, right? So there you go, guys. That's about that. Trade of the day, Bitcoin on the downside for a quick move for a short-term bearish campaign. Hope you enjoyed that video. We're going to be back in the next video. So till then, be well.